Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the grass crown or grass floor like this in Heartopia. The method is super simple, super easy. First, just open this icon, this card icon, this one, and then just go to the Fashion Life, this one, and then choose building materials like this, and then just choose this grass crown like this, building permit of the grass crown like this, and then you can just purchase it. If I remember correctly, maybe it costs around around 30 Moonlight Crystal or this blue gem, 30 blue gems. So make sure you have enough the gems or this Moonlight Crystal before buying this grass crown. And once you have purchased it, you can just start using it in your build. Just go to the solo build on build mode like this. And then next just tap on the brush icon, this one. And then just tap on floor menu. And then just choose this patterns or this painting like this. And then in here you can choose the green color that you like. For example like this, and then just start to painting like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.